everyone, hope you are all doing great. So you can see there is a gratitude journal in front of me. It is a gratitude activity journal for my 4-year-old to teach him the strongest and healthiest human emotion, that is gratitude. This is all about being thankful or grateful. It is the kindest gesture, and teaching kids to be grateful is very important because instilling the sense of gesture goes far beyond good manners. When I started thinking about this, when a friend of mine introduced this concept to me, and I am really thankful to her. Thank you, Richa. Practicing this daily has changed perspective of my little one a lot. I know developing this feeling in preschoolers or toddlers is a very difficult task, but it is always better to start as early as possible. And for the same, I have developed few activities for my little one too, because it was actually very difficult for me to start suddenly the feeling of gratitude and to expect him to practice it daily. So I'll be showing various activities which I have designed for my little one to practice gratitude on a regular basis, because no one is born grateful but become one by practicing regularly. So here we go. So gratitude. Gratitude has 4 parts basically. It is noticing, that is recognizing things you have and you are grateful for. Thinking about what we have and why we have been given those things. Feeling, that is emotions we experience as a result of things we have been given. And doing, that is ways we express our appreciation. And overall, it's all about being thankful. So the first activity was listing the things we are grateful for. And believe me, it was very nice. One day the little one wrote water, book and family. The very next day he was grateful for toys, clothes and pencils. The other second activity was the gratitude game, where we used the dice, and when we rolled it, the number which came, we matched with the numbers listed below, and then we thought of something we are grateful for and jotted it down. The third activity was the giving tree, where we talked about the old tree we have in our home and how we feel happy and thankful for having that tree in our home. Then again, the next activity was talking about our very own day. The next activity was how we can make our home happy, like what things we need for making our home a happy home. Then the next game was gratitude prompts. It was all about talking about oneself. Then it was reflecting on my day. How was my day? How it could be good, how it could be bad, how my mood was. Then the next activity was gratitude jar, where we put various things about people, about events we feel grateful for, and the acts which made us felt proud, like how we helped each other. Then the other activity was helped whom, that is good deeds, how we made our day happy by helping others. So believe me, these activities are actually very nice, and they have certain very important benefits on the little ones, like the stress kids feel is eliminated, they stay positive, feel happier, they turn into non-materialistic, focus better, and they even develop the ability to cope up with difficulties very effectively. So these are certain activities you could even practice and help your kids to learn this amazing emotion of gratitude. Thank you.